Welcome to TaxBandits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to file Form 1095-C in our system. So from your tax filing dashboard, you're going to click Start New Form, go to ACA Forms, and then click 1094, 1095-C, choose your tax year, and then either select an employer from your address book if you already have them in your account, or you can add them here. I'm going to select one from my address book. I'm missing my contact person's name, so we'll fix that and click Save and Continue. Enter the total number of 1095-C forms you plan for the year and how you plan to transmit them. Click Continue to Form 1095-C. We'll need to add an employee. If they're in your address book, you should be able to select them automatically without re-entering all of their information, entering their name and address. You can add covered individuals information down here if you need for Massachusetts. Click Save and Continue. And we'll go to Part 2. We'll enter the employee's age on January 1st. We can also click Calculate Age. And if we enter their date of birth, click Save, it will enter it for us. We'll enter the plan start month, either no health plan or which month it started in. And for lines 14 and 16, we can view the codes that we need to enter and what they mean over here with explanations of each code. Add the zip code. We can also add them for individual months and change them as needed. And if the employer provides self-insured coverage, check this box and enter all this information down here. Click Save and Continue when finished. You'll now see the federal filing page. You can view, edit, or delete this form. You can add more forms. You can add an email address for this employee, so you can send it to them. Now we'll need to complete the Form 1094-C by clicking this button. In Part 1, we'll enter the total number of 1095-C forms, whether or not this is the authoritative transmittal for this ALE member, either yes or no. The total number of 1095-Cs filed by and or on behalf of this member. If the ALE member is a member of an aggregated ALE group, yes or no. I'm going to say yes, so we can see Part 4. Any of these certifications of eligibility that apply to you, I'm going to say A. And all of this information down here we'll fill out later. Click Continue. In Part 2, we will enter all this information. So minimum essential health coverage indicator. We're going to click yes for all 12 months. We could also click no. We could individually select months. The full-time employee count for this ALE member. Total employee count. We're going to add in any non-full-time employees here. In the aggregated group indicator, we'll click Save and Continue. And then we're going to add other ALE members of this aggregated ALE group in Part 4. We can select them from our address book. And they'll be filled out. And fill out all the ones that you need to add. And click Save and Continue. And we can add more 1095-Cs if we need. Or click Continue to State. Under State Filing, since we entered Massachusetts for that employee, we need to indicate if we offered self-insured coverage. If we say no, we will enter if the insurance provider will be filing the state ACA forms on your behalf. And say yes or no, and we'll complete the Form 1099-H-C. Entering all information about the employee and recipient. Answering this question. Subscriber number. Click Save and Continue. Continue. And now we have finished that, and we'll click Continue. And we move on to form distribution. So we have 4 options. Bandit Complete. We will provide online access and postal mailing for the recipient. Just postal mailing. Bandit Share, which is only online access. Or if you wish to take care of all of this yourself, you can choose self-service print and mail, where you download, print, and mail the copies to your employees. We're going to click Bandit Complete and continue to Form Summary. We can now view the form summary and edit it if we wish, and click Proceed to Checkout. You'll see a breakdown of the total price. Click Complete Your Order. Acknowledge our credit card usage statement. Add or select an existing card. Confirm that you have the authority to use that card, and click Pay and Transmit. And that's it, you've successfully filed your form. Stay tuned for email updates on the status of your form, and be sure to enable online access if you selected an online access option for your recipients. You can also go to the dashboard and view the status of the return here. Thank you for making TaxBandits the #1 e-file provider in the industry. If you have any further questions, you can contact our support team by phone number at 704-684-4751 or by email at support@taxbandits.com.